Hi everyone, this is Rose from Bitpos, and today I am going to show you how our Bitpos MOT kit work in a gasoline station type of business. So these are the devices that I'll be using here. I am choosing the bundle of our MOT kit na naka-Android cellphone ako, as well as the Bluetooth printer, and of course my MOT application. So let's dive in with the process. So first is dapat naka-login muna tayo dito sa ating MOT app. And once you're logged in, you can actually see here Q Tender. And then you can see the product gasoline that I am selling. I have my diesel 69 pesos, I have my premium 72 pesos, and of course my unleaded 66 pesos po. So say for example, magbebenta po ako for premium, tap ko lang po siya. And then there is an amount here where I have to put kung magkano yung ipapagaas ng customer natin. Say for example, 300 pesos yung ipapagaas niya, automatically quantity change as 4.1667 liters po yung 300 pesos. Next is the payment kung magkano naman yung pera ng customer natin. Say for example, yung pera niya is 500 pesos. And on this side, you can actually see the sukle of our customer. Next step po, if you're good to go po, tap lang po natin yung OK. Automatically po, magpiprint naman ang ating Bluetooth printer for the receipt. So this is the sample printout of our resibo po. So in the receipt, you can actually see the logo of the store. Nakikita natin po yung number of quantity of liters, kung ilan yung na-dispense natin. Total due, magkano yung bayad ni customer, and then magkano po yung ating sukle. So once you're good to go on that one, under the inventory side naman po at the end of the shift ng ating personnel, we have a feature here called reading metered item. This is actually good if at the end of the shift po, ibabangga na po natin siya doon sa ating gasoline totalizer. So, tap lang po natin yung reading metered item po. You just tap create on that one. We are going to search the item na i-reading natin. Say, for example, si premium ko. So, select ko lang yung premium once I search it. Select the location kung saan tayo located. So, this is actually good for multiple store location kasi consolidated po yung data natin. And you can actually see on the start of my shift, nag-start ako ng 1,018 liters. That is the start, yung sa reading natin doon sa ating gasoline reader. And of course, at the end of the shift, magkano naman yung i-declare natin based on that. Say, for example, magde-declare ako ng 1,022. Sample ko lang to. And under memo, ilalagay ko lang po and shift rows. Diretso lang. Ayan. So, once you're good to go po, tap lang po natin yung okay. Automatically po, mag-generate po siya dito on top. You can actually see here, the start is 1,018, the end is 1,022, the reading quantity is 4, and then the sales quantity po, the difference, and then the description, the store location created by the account. I'm using the admin account, and the memo is and shift rows. You can also tap tally if you want to see kung ilan yung sold quantity. So here, I have my sales quantity of 4.166666, so on and so forth. And there is a difference of negative 0.16666. And this is really nice to bangga on our computer inventory po based doon sa reports na ma-generate naman ng ating admin. Of course, aside from this reading meter in the inventory side po, we can also print an X-reading report here in our MOT application po. So, pag end ng shift din ng ating cashier, tap lang po niya yung sales X reading and just tap print. Automatically po, nagpiprint naman po siya dito. Ayan. So, once matapos, medyo mahaba-haba po siya. Ayan. So, once matapos mag-print, this is the declaration of the cashier for the whole shift niya. And then, magta-time out na po siya. Also, using our MOT app. Kasi meron man po siyang employee attendance here. So, yan po yung X-reading. Usually po, hindi kasi physically nandun yung may-ari sa ating store location. And it's not a problem because here in our software po, we are cloud-based. Meaning, pwede pong ma-access ng may-ari yung mga data niya outside the store location. So, this is an example on that one. We have our back office interface here. This is browser-based, and of course, it's cloud-based, meaning it can be accessed to multiple devices. I am using an Android tablet here. Pwede po siya sa kahit anong device, iPhone, iPad, Android tablet, cellphone, computer, laptop, kahit anong device, it does not matter po, kaya po natin siyang i-access. One of the things that's really nice here is that under the reporting side, if I want to generate my reports, I can generate it real time. So ano man yung pinaka-latest transaction sa tindahan, nakikita ko agad. And if I want to generate, I want to know my stocks available on hand. I want to have to check my gasoline, of course. And you have an option here to generate it in PDF and Excel file. Everything is downloadable po. Walang problema naman po iyon. So in my end, I want to check it in PDF. Tap ko lang po yung display and automatically po it gets downloaded and then mag-o-open po siya. So I'll be using an app here para po ma-view ko yung PDF file natin. Ayan. So here is my sample report po. And kung mapapansin nyo po, you can actually see my opening inventory, magkano yung delivery from my supplier. So I have 1,000 liters, magkano yung bawas, and then magkano na lang yung balance natin. So I have an outward here of 23.89 liters and my balance is 976.11 liters po. Now, aside from this one, if I want to generate also yung X reading natin using this interface as well, pwede po natin siyang ma-generate dito. Just select the terminal po and then just tap display. Automatically, it gets downloaded once again po and then mag-o-open na naman po siya using the app. I also selected it to be generated in PDF file po. So, naka-PDF naman po siya. So, here, ayan. Ayan naman po yung etsura ng ating X-reading report. So in my X-reading po, this is really nice because it gives me the idea of what's going on inside my tindahan po. And you can actually see here, one of the features that we added is our hourly sales. It means nakikita natin yung total sales bawat oras natin. Tapos meron po siyang open and close parentheses kung ilan po yung tao yung pumunta para magpagaas. Of course, it gives us the total transactions. It means I can see how many people ang nagpunta doon. Also, this gives me an idea kung ano yung mga peak hours natin. This is my top 8 best-selling items. If I have other retail products aside from gas, yung mga oils, pwede ko pong i-add dito para malaman ko kung ano yung laging nabibenta and ilang beses silang nagbenta for the whole day. Below naman po ay makikita natin yung cashier cash position. The name is admin. Yung total cash sales niya for the day is 1,719.99 pesos. So rather than waiting for the reports from the store, I can generate it anytime, anywhere, to any type of devices. Okay? So, for more information of our Bitpos MO ticket for gasoline station po, you may book an online demo or chat us today.